Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Magic app and granting the core permissions it needs. This ensures features will run smoothly. Once signed in, complete the quick profile prompts so the app can personalize suggestions. That's why verification matters. Next, enable notifications and location so real-time events and context-aware tools activate. Make sure to accept any optional data sync if you want cross-device continuity. Then tap Get Started to move into the first workflow and begin using core tools immediately. You now configure the app's main features to match your workflow, adjust theme, default workflows, and sync interval so the app behaves predictably. Once done, connect your calendar and cloud accounts to let Magic pull events and files. This is why integrations speed things up. Next, enable and map shortcuts or gestures for your 3 most used tools so actions feel automatic. Spend a few minutes testing one end-to-end task. If it flows, you've set a solid foundation for efficient daily use. You complete setup by running a final test task that mirrors real usage. Verify autosave and output formats so nothing surprises you. Then review update and backup settings, enabling auto updates only if you want the latest fixes without manual installs. If something breaks, try the main troubleshooting step. Clear the app cache, force close, and restart, then reauthorize any failing integrations. This typically resolves sync and permission glitches. If issues persist, capture a screenshot and note
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.